the 4 meals section of the Omnivore's Dilemma introduction. As a food detective, I had to go back to the beginning, to the farms and fields where our food is grown. Then I followed it each step of the way and watched what happened to our food on its way to our stomachs. Each step was another link in a chain, a food chain. A food chain is a system for growing, making, and delivering food. In this book, I follow 4 different food chains. Each one has its own section. They are industrial. This is where most of our food comes from today. The chain starts in a giant field, usually in the Midwest, where a single crop is grown, corn or perhaps soybeans, and ends up in a supermarket or fast food restaurant. Industrial organic. This food is grown on large industrial farms, but with only natural fertilizers and natural bug and weed control. It is sold in the same way as industrial food. Local sustainable. This is food grown on small farms that raise lots of different kinds of crops and animals. The food from the farm doesn't need to be processed, and it travels a short distance to a farmer's market, for example, before it reaches your table. Hunter-gatherer. This is the oldest type of food chain there is. It's hardly a chain at all, really. It is made up simply of you hunting, growing, or finding your food. All these food chains end the same way, with a meal. And so I thought it important to end each section of the book with a meal, whether it was a fast food hamburger eaten in a speeding car or a meal I made myself from start to finish. Let's go right the gist of that.